Hi everyone, Catherine here. So I have a question for you. What would you do with yourself and your life if money was no option? If it didn't hold you back, if you gave and received in equal measure, if you were fulfilling on what's important to you, and you had a way to make money from it? The reason why I asked that question is because it's meant to elicit what's deep down, what's really important to us. And money is a vehicle for that. Money is a vehicle for us having our needs met. It's a vehicle for building and growing enterprises that make a difference. And that's why we've put together this Monetize Your Purpose program. So, this is the time we've been waiting for. There are seismic shifts happening right now on our planet in humanity. And if you've been putting off making a career change, starting a business, growing a business, fulfilling on your legacy, and finding a way, a concrete way to make that happen, this course is for you. It's going to be led by our GIFEW faculty member, Jan Polak. Yes, it's a man, I know. Our GIFEW faculty are full of both men and women. We look for the best experts around the world, and Jan has over 20 years' experience helping business owners build and profit from purpose driven organizations. So he's here to help you fulfill on your purpose through creating money and creating flow through that. And I would love you to join us. So check out the rest of this page. You'll see all of the details that you need to know to participate. And if you feel called to monetize your purpose, register now. Thank you.